case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court has historically had a significant role in determining a woman's right to get an abortion in the United States. In 1983, in a landmark case, City of Akron v. Akron Center for Reproductive Health, Inc., the Supreme Court took on a substantial analysis of local and state abortion regulations. At the heart of the case rested various regulations on abortion established by the City of Akron, Ohio, along with those promulgated by the states of Missouri and Virginia. The 17 provisions of Akron's abortion regulations, enacted in 1978 and known as the Regulation of Abortions Ordinance, included unique requirements such as performing second trimester abortions in a hospital, a 24-hour waiting period prior to an abortion, the need for parental as well as informed consent from the woman, and sanitation standards for fetal remains disposal. The breadth and aggressive nature of these provisions forced the Akron Center for Reproductive Health, Inc. and other respondents to seek legal intervention. The district court subsequently issued a preliminary injunction to halt their enforcement, but upheld the constitutionality of most provisions, resulting in an appeal that brought the case before the Supreme Court. In adjudicating the case, the Supreme Court delved into the deeply contended 14th Amendment's due process clause that guarantees the fundamental right to privacy. Further, it juxtaposed these rights against equally important state interests in preserving potential human life and public health. The court ultimately decided that while acknowledging the state's right to regulate abortions for maternal health, such regulations should not unjustifiably impinge upon a woman's right to access abortions, particularly during the first trimester. It noted how the state's interest becomes more viable after the first trimester, stipulating that regulation from then onwards should reasonably relate to safeguarding maternal health. Invalidating a major chunk of the Akron Ordinance, the court deemed the parental notifications, waiting periods, and obligatory hospital-based second trimester abortions unconstitutional, as well as the vague description for humane fetal remains disposal. However, it upheld the requirement of informed consent from the woman, stressing its necessity in enhancing transparency, patient autonomy, and in facilitating a sound medical choice. Heading home the importance of clear, specific, and reasonable regulations, the famed case is, till date, a beacon in the discourse regarding a woman's right to reproductive health choices and state public health policies.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class